Hello, fuckers. It's time to meditate. It's time to relax. So sit your ass down or lie the fuck down. Close your eyes. Relax your fucking face. Relax your fucking face. Your entire face relaxes. Entire fucking face relaxes. Relaxing more and more. Relaxing your whole entire fucking face. Now start to smile. Fake the smile if you have to, you fuck. As you smile, you feel better. As you smile, your fucks simply start to dissolve. They start to fade the fuck away. And now release your smile. And bring your awareness and attention to your nipples. And just notice you have these nips. These nips start to relax. And this relaxation starts to expand all throughout your body. Whole body relaxes. Whole body relaxes more and fucking more. Take a nice deep inhale through your nose. Open the mouth, exhale, sigh it out, release your fucks. And now you can fuck off with your day. Have a great day, fuckers.